Hi everyone. Many trekkers ask me how difficult is the Kedarkantha trek, and it's very relevant because it's one of our most popular treks and lots of trekkers go on this trek. So in this video I'm going to give you an idea of how difficult the trek is and how much you should prepare for the trek. I'm Swati from India Hikes and you're watching Trek with Swati. First, let's start with some good news. Kedarkantha is a really good trek for beginners. We see lots of first-timers going on the trek and having a really adventurous summit climb and coming back. So anybody without any prior experience can actually attempt the Kedarkantha trek in any of the seasons. But I don't want you to take this trek too lightly because it is a high-altitude summit climb after all. And there are quite a few things that make this challenging and you need to be prepared for it. First is the altitude. You're starting the trek at around 6,500 and you're climbing all the way to 12,500 feet in 3 days. So this means that the trek involves quite a few climbs and you're gaining altitude every day. And this also brings me to my next point, that's the terrain. So there aren't many steep ascents on this trek. It's mostly a gentle ascent all the way to the summit. The summit push is the hardest part of the trail where you're actually going and doing that last part to the summit. But the rest of the trek, there isn't much that you need to worry about in terms of the gradient or in terms of the terrain. But here is where you have to keep in mind that if you're going in winter and if there's a lot of snow on the trail, that's when it could become a little tricky. Of course, our technical team is going to be with you on the trail. They're going to clear out the entire trail even if there is snow, and they will make sure that you are walking on a safe path. But if you're going on your own, make sure that you are aware of where you're going because Kedarkantha has a lot of vergla as well. Vergla is basically extremely hard, slippery ice, and if you step on it, it slips immediately. So there are some sections which have vergla, which have lots of snow. That's something you need to tackle. But this is only in the months of December to around mid-April. After that, you're not going to see too much of this. Finally, that brings me to the temperatures. That's only in winter. In winter, the temperatures can get challenging and drop to around -5, -8 at night. During the day it's bearable, but at night it does get quite cold, so carry at least 5 warm layers and take care of yourself on the trek. So now that I've told you about all of these things, you need to prepare yourself for the trek because all of these things are going to be easily tackled only if you're fit. If you're not, you're going to struggle on the trek. So in terms of fitness, start by running every day. Target to run at least 5 kilometers within 40 minutes before the start of your trek, and you should be able to do this consistently and not just once or twice. So start slow. If you're not a runner, I would say start slow. Start by running 1 or 2 kilometers every day and cover this until you can reach 5 kilometers in 40 minutes. So you will need to plan your trek in advance, maybe 45 days or 2 months in advance to be able to get fit for the Kedarkantha trek. So if you're fit, you have absolutely nothing to worry about the difficulty of the trek. If you have any doubts, just drop in a comment and I'll help you out. We have lots more content on Kedarkantha, including the best time to do the trek and a really nice deep dive series that we do on the Kedarkantha trek with the founder of India Hikes. He actually explored the trail and he shares with us some small nuances that a lot of trekkers miss out on. So make sure you watch those videos as well before going on the Kedarkantha trek. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and also LinkedIn because every day we're sharing updates and news from the mountains on all those platforms. So follow us there and hit subscribe and the notify button next to it. Thank you for watching. I'm Swati from India Hikes and you're watching Trek with Swati.